Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. I am Anil and I am back with a new project that is online lawyer management system. So first of all let me clear that I have downloaded this template from Theme Forest. Okay, so let's see all the pages and features one by one. So this is a home page, about us page, services, in register we have two registration, that is one is for user registration and the other one is vendor registration. In user registration, first name, full name, email, phone number, pin code, address, for password, confirm password is there. And in vendor registration there is full name, email, phone numbers, city, pin code, and the case type. The lawyer or vendor will going to be registered. Okay, then the amount they charge for that, they can upload the profile picture of them, password, confirm password, login page, email password, and the login type. And feedback, in feedback anyone can give the feedback but based on the case type. So let's see, let's try to log in with the user account. So I have already have the user, so I am logging with that. So this user has already having the history of the case they have added, and it's been approved by the lawyer. So there is no new case for this user. Let's see the pages that user having. That is this one is case page, and the other one is lawyer page where you can find the lawyers. Okay, payment history, log out. So in case, let's add one case, select the case type, and give the case details. Add the case. So now here you can see the new case has been added and the status is not assigned. So you can see the date of the case when it's been added. Okay, so now user can hire the lawyers in lawyer page based on the case type. They can hire them. Okay, so the case type of my case is, that is family law. So I am hiring this lawyer one. So I click on the on hire. I will be ready to the payment page. The payment, the payment I have to pay for that lawyer, the charges that they take for the case. So I am just filling all the details. expiry month, expiry year, CVV number, address and pay. So payment has been done. So you can see here the payment history, that is the today's date and time, and the title of the case. So now still the case status is, you can see, pending. You can see here the name of the username who is logged in, the details of this project. So let's log out here and now log in with the vendor. So I'm logging with the vendor one, that is lawyer one. Select the login type and click on login. Now here the request has came for the lawyer one, right? The user has appointed or hired the lawyer one for that case, right? So there is a request for this lawyer. So now he has to approve this request. You can see the case ID, case property, case title, case type, and the username of the who has sent the request for hiring him. So it's in new case. You can find the new case that has been came for him. In case approved, you can see the previous case that he has approved by the that he has approved for the user which has been requested for the case. In user case list, user can see all the case request or new case that has been requested to the lawyer. Can see all the list of that record here. This list of records can see every lawyer in their module. Okay, so in new case, let's accept the request. So the case request has been updated successfully. There is no record to display now. Now let's check case approved page. Here you can see the status has been now approved. Previous there is only 2 record. Now it's been, the third one has been came here. You can see the time also. You can see here now the status has been approved. Previous it was pending. Okay. Now log out and let's cross check with the user email. Can see the status of the case is been approved. Now let's say this user didn't add a new case and try to hire a lawyer. Now he tried to hire this lawyer, so it says that you have to first add new case. Until and unless the user didn't have any case added into their account, he can't hire the lawyer. Okay, so that's it here. Let me show the feedback page. Anyone can send feedback or contact to the administrator of this project. It will send a mail to the owner of this project.